This CDM-138 dehumidifier. The dehumidifying capacity is 138 liter per day, and this is a portable industrial dehumidifier supported with the two front wheel and two back wheel. Okay, suction of the air is from front side and discharge of the humid air is from the this right hand side. This is the specification, 138 liter per day. Okay, and this is, it has a built-in condensate tank as well as the facility to connect the drainage point. So the tank is from the front side. If you push, so this is the tank. You can take it off. Tank. And it has a LCD control panel. It will show the current temperature and current humidity. You can set the required humidity by pressing the up and down arrow, and you can set the required humidity.